Alright, after comparing over 15 different robot vacuum and mop combos, I found the 5 best setups for home, ranging from budget option to premium models. Each one gives powerful suction, reliable mopping performance, and smart navigation that keeps your floor spotless, whether you've got pet hair, dust, or everyday messes. But there are also a few robot vacuums and mops that look good online, but don't perform well in real use. I'll tell you which ones to avoid later in the video. Links to all the best robot vacuum and mop combos, along with discounts and some extra coupons I found, are in the description. Let's start with number 5. We've got the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop L8000 Plus. This one sits in the more affordable range for a robot vacuum with a self-emptying base, and honestly, well, it punches above its price. What really makes this model stand out is the self-emptying dock. The 3-liter dust bag can hold dirt for up to 90 days, so you're not emptying the bin every couple of runs. For busy homes or pet owners, that alone saves a lot of time. Suction is strong at 6,000 pascals, which means pet hair, dust, and crumbs come off hard floors easily, and it automatically boosts power when it moves onto carpet. Cleaning is efficient thanks to 360-degree LiDAR navigation, which scans your home, builds accurate maps, and avoids bumping into walls or falling downstairs. It can even save up to 5 floor maps. This is also a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop with adjustable suction and water flow, so you can tune it for tile, wood, or carpeted areas using the app. Speaking of control, the app lets you set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, or tell it exactly which room to clean. It also works with Alexa. Battery life is solid too, offering up to 150 minutes of runtime, and it automatically recharges and resumes where it left off. At number 4, we've got the roborock Q10 S5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, and this one is a serious upgrade for 2026. This model comes with a massive 10,000 pascal suction, which means pet hair, dust, and crumbs don't stand a chance on carpets or hard floors. It's especially useful if you've got pets, because the dual anti-tangle brush system keeps hair from wrapping around the rollers, saving you from constant cleanup. What really makes life easier here is the self-emptying dock. The large dust bag can handle up to 70 days of debris, so you basically forget about it for months. For busy homes, that's a huge win. Mopping is handled by the VibraRise 2.0 system, which scrubs floors thousands of times per minute to lift dried stains. And when it reaches carpets, the mop automatically lifts up so nothing gets wet by mistake. The robot even detects carpets and boosts suction automatically for deeper cleaning. Navigation is smart and precise thanks to LiDAR mapping and obstacle avoidance, so it smoothly works around furniture, cables, and clutter without getting stuck. Everything is controlled through the app, where you can set schedules, no-go zones, suction power, and mopping levels exactly how you like. At number 3, we've got the eufy Robot Vacuum E25. This one feels like a serious step up if you want powerful cleaning without constantly babysitting your robot. What really sets it apart is the HydroJet Roller Mop system. Instead of dragging a dirty pad around, the rollers clean themselves in real time, refreshing twice every second, so your floors stay consistently clean from room to room. For busy homes, that alone makes a big difference. Suction is another highlight. With 20,000 pascals of power, it easily pulls dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. And thanks to the dual spiral anti-tangle brushes, hair doesn't wrap around the rollers, which means way less manual cleanup, especially helpful for pet owners. The all-in-one base station handles almost everything for you. It empties the dustbin, washes the mop rollers, refills water, and even dries everything with hot air. Once it's set up, daily cleaning becomes almost completely hands-free. Edge cleaning is solid too. The corner rover arm tracks along walls and corners, grabbing debris most robots usually miss. On top of that, AI obstacle avoidance helps it move around shoes, cables, and furniture without getting stuck. Control is simple through the app, voice commands, or onboard buttons, and it works on hard floors, tile, wood, and carpets. At number 2, we've got the eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This one sits in that premium mid-range category, and honestly, it's built for people who want real hands-free cleaning, not just basic vacuuming. What makes it special is the all-in-one Omni station. It automatically empties dust, washes the mop, and then dries it with room temperature air. So instead of touching dirty pads every day, you pretty much let it handle itself. The transparent water tanks are a nice touch too. You can quickly see when it's time to refill. Cleaning power is strong. With 7,000 pascals of suction, it easily handles dust, crumbs, and pet hair on hard floors and carpets. The mop system spins at 180 rotations per minute with solid downward pressure, so sticky stains actually come off instead of just getting wiped around. The 3.35-inch ultra-slim design is another big win. It slides under beds, sofas, and desks where taller robots usually can't reach. Hair tangles are also less of a headache thanks to the Pro Detangle Comb that automatically clears hair from the brush. Control is simple through the app, and it runs quietly enough that you won't feel like a jet engine is cleaning your house. And finally, at number 1, we've got the iRobot Roomba 104 Combo Vacuum and Mop. This is the most advanced option on the list, built for people who want powerful cleaning with almost zero effort. It delivers 70 times stronger power-lifting suction, so pet hair, fine dust, and deep dirt on carpets don't stand the chance. At the same time, it can mop hard floors using a microfiber pad with controlled water flow, leaving floors clean without streaks. What really sets it apart is the auto-empty dock. It empties itself for up to 75 days, trapping allergens in a sealed bag, so you're not dealing with dust clouds every week. That alone makes life easier for busy homes and pet owners. Navigation is handled by LiDAR smart mapping, which scans your home, avoids obstacles, and cleans in straight, efficient paths. And when it mops, it automatically avoids carpets, keeping rugs completely dry without any manual setup. You can vacuum only, mop only, or run both together. Control everything from the app, voice assistant, or buttons, and even customize suction power and mopping levels room by room. So, if you want the best robot vacuum and mop combo overall, with strong suction, smart mapping, hands-free emptying, and reliable performance, the Roomba 104 easily earns the top spot. Alright, that wraps up our list of the best robot vacuum and mop combo in 2026. Each of these options brings something different to the table, whether you're focused on deep cleaning, smart navigation, or hands-free convenience. The key is picking the one that fits your home size, flooring type, and how much automation you actually want in day-to-day cleaning. And as always, you can find the discounted links for all these robot vacuum and mop combos in the description of this video. I've also added some extra coupons I found, so make sure to check those out before buying and grab the best deal on the model that suits your home the best.